Welcome, everyone. AI Mutual is excited about partnering up with LegalShield to deliver our clients protection products where they need it the most. Have you purchased an insurance life policy but have not created a will? Have you ever been pulled over by the police and was fearful on how the situation would be handled or needed assistance with your traffic tickets? Maybe you are a small business owner and need a lawyer to look over a contract to ensure the language is correct before committing to a business relationship with a potential supplier. Whatever the legal concern may be, our protection products will give you both peace of mind and access to legal counsel. I am Nicole Ivory, principal of AI Mutual, a boutique and smart insurance brokerage firm. We provide insurance products to create generational wealth for your family. We use our professional knowledge and experience to help you properly assess your insurance needs, shop for the best value in insurance coverage, and help you in the event of a claim. I'm excited today to announce my role as a senior director at LegalShield and leader of the Empire Newers team. We provide legal products including wills, attorney access, legal defense, credit monitoring, and gun owner protection, just to name a few. In addition to my finance background, I also build brands one at a time with Aim High Promotions. Your brand speaks volumes about you. Let it speak about life, love, and wealth. These unique experiences in financial services, sales, and marketing helps me daily in being a strong leader for the Empire Newer team at LegalShield. We are excited to announce our 2021 campaign, Live Empowered, Not in Fear. Now is the time to get the adequate legal and financial protection you and your family needs and deserves. We will not let fear stand in the way of taking action and controlling of our lives. We are empowered to achieve greatness and live in financial independence. These are my whys. So, what motivated me to join LegalShield? Well, as you can see, I have a very loving and beautiful family. My daughter, who we call Dr. Vanna, wants to become an obstetrician when she grows up. I checked on how much it costs today to become one and nearly spit my coffee out my mouth. It's too much money. I can only imagine with inflation and tuition increases how much medical school will cost in another 10 years. With the money I make from LegalShield, it can pay her tuition in full. I am also really big on generational wealth. Wealth for Black people will be zero by 2053 and zero for Hispanics by 2073. So it is important for me to not only have residual income coming in, but also businesses that I can pass down to my heirs, ensuring that they will not end up in the future bread and water lines. So what is LegalShield? Just like the name implies, LegalShield shields or protects you from legal matters that may arise. Started in 1972 in Oklahoma, due to a car accident that wasn't even his fault, Mr. Harlan Stoneceffer realized that there was no one to look out for folks who have trouble paying expensive legal fees. That was the moment he decided to found and become the CEO and chairman of Prepaid Legal Services. Harlan pioneered the idea of a proprietary network of law firms that makes legal representation accessible and affordable. For 40 years, Harlan led his company from a one-room operation to being listed on the New York Stock Exchange in 1999. Today, this vision of affordable, quality legal services is known as LegalShield. Although Harlan passed away in November of 2014, LegalShield is stronger than ever, with over 1.7 million members and 39 provider law firms. LegalShield's vision is to provide equal access to the liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. This vision speaks volumes to me as a Black woman. I have faced so much discrimination throughout the years due to my race and gender. It's very nice to know that I have partnered up with a company that shares the same beliefs as I do in providing everyone with human rights. Our current products include, with AI Mutual, life insurance, final expense insurance, disability, long-term care, and business owners policies. We are excited to announce our new products now that we have partnered up with LegalShield. Our new products include LegalShield Plan, ID Shield, and Small Business. We also have supplement plans for gun owners, home business owners, ride-share delivery drivers, and trial defense. For just a low rate of $24.95 a month, clients can get access to experienced attorneys when they need them. This Legal Shield plan comes with access to wills, simple wills, and living will creation, assistance with contracts, landlord-tenant issues, traffic tickets, protecting children's identity, identity theft, real estate matters, and more. Real estate matters and more. Gun owners, home business owners, and rideshare delivery drivers can add an additional supplement to their policy for an extra fee. A trial defense supplement is also available for those who require more hours than what's needed in the basic Legal Shield package. For $24.95 a month, the ID Shield plan protects your privacy, data, and reputation. You will have access to credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, social security number skip tracing, social media scanning, and more. Please note that you can find all product details at www.nivory.wearelegalshield.com. You will have access to the below in the palm of your hand. Download the Legal Shield app and receive the wills, living will, healthcare power of attorney, and financial power of attorney. Other services that are also available to you on your app are personal legal advice, letters, calls made on your behalf, contract documents reviewed, IRS audit assistance, civil trial defense, family and domestic services, and document uploads. And traffic tickets. So you also have this available too on your phone. This feature honestly sold me. In the wake of George Floyd and Black Lives Matter movement, having protection when getting pulled over is important. When you sign up under the Legal Shield plan, you receive a decal sticker stating that your legal rights are protected. That's very nice for an officer to see when approaching your vehicle. Also, when you received your physical member card to hand to the officer, along with your driver's license when they ask for it, they'll know that you're protected. It states that if they decide to detain you, you have the right to call your lawyer. It's funny that people always say they're going to call their lawyer, but they don't really have a lawyer. Well, now you do. You have a team of lawyers. With the app downloaded on your phone, you can even call your team of lawyers and have them listen to the entire conversation with you and the officer in real time. So who's covered? Well, the member's spouse or domestic partner, never married dependent children under the age of 26 living at home or a full-time student, dependent children under age 18 for whom the member is legal guardian, physically or mentally disabled children living at home. With all the recent data breaches, there is a huge problem that everyone faces: identity theft. Criminals don't want your money, they want your identity. Personally, I have already been a part of 2 medical breaches in the past few years. I at first heard about them on the news and then started to receive emails and letters in the mail from those companies telling me about the data breach. It really makes you feel exposed and vulnerable. ID Shield provides with privacy management, reputation management, final account monitoring, cyberbullying consultation, unlimited consultation, monitoring and alerts, $1 million protection policy, and full service restoration. ID Shield also provides you with the following monitoring and alerts: credit score, 3 credit bureau monitoring, social security number, passport, driver's license, email, phone, date of birth, medical ID, username, password, dark web, social media. They will provide you with alerts if something changes on any of these formats. In addition to that, they also will check your credit cards, investment accounts, financial account monitoring, 401k, checking savings accounts, loans, auto pawns, title pawn, buy here, pay here, telecom account application, and subprime loans. You can't beat this. I mean, they really have you covered. ID Shield's comprehensive restoration, that $1 million protection policy guarantee. Licensed private investigators will do whatever it takes, work as long as it takes, and restore identity to its pre-theft status. ID Shield privacy management, monitoring, consultation, and guidance. Again, under monitoring, they definitely will protect the reputation, monitor the social media, and make sure you are protected from anti-bullying. Okay. Also, under consultation, voice assistance privacy, data broker privacy, smart TV privacy. A lot of people don't think about that. Social media privacy, anti-bullying, reputation management, and of course, guidance, password privacy, and browser privacy. Both of those are really big. And then, of course, with that social media privacy, they look at all of the social medias that are very popular. So, for instance, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and more. I know TikTok, we hear a lot about that in the news, about a lot of, identity theft being stolen there, a lot of information data breaches. A reputation score ranks a user's online risk by calculating a score based on content and images found on their social media accounts. They will make sure that you have a very positive reputation score. It's very interesting. A lot of people don't even know anything about that. They think they just know about their credit score, right? But they don't realize that they have an online reputation score. Well, you do. So who's covered under the ID Shield plan? Under the individual plan, just the member, or you have the option to buy the family plan. This family plan will cover the member spouse or domestic partner, and up to 10 dependent children under the age of 18. Also, there are incentives, once you become a member. We have member perks. You can't really see it that clearly here, but if you go to my website, you can definitely see it clear there. I know during Black Friday, everybody likes to get those deals. Well, how about having Black Friday 365 days a year? We have the best vendors, the best top companies for you to shop from. So maybe you're even shopping for a new car, or maybe a watch, or maybe a new phone. I know the new iPhone is supposed to come out, 12, so definitely check out to get your incentives and discounts. And of course, here you see on the left, for the 3B plan, it's $54.90 a month. That includes the $24.95 for LegalShield and the $29.95 for ID Shield family. So that's if you wanted to swank that up from just individual to family, that would be $54.90. Or you can purchase it on individual side. So that'd be $24.95 for LegalShield and $15.95 for ID Shield. Okay. So text or call the Empire who invited you. Empire knew who invited you. Are you a 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1 says LegalShield plan. I'm ready to get legally protected. 2, I'm ready to protect my identity. So you're definitely interested in ID Shield plan. 3, yes, I'm actually interested in those supplements. I am a gun owner. I am a small business owner. Or 4, all of the above. I would like the total package. Thank you for attending today's session. We look forward to getting you legally protected and on the road to success. And always remember to aim high.